What's going on here?
Those are the back brew, I call back brew. Make a coffee with the cold water in a short time. We are creating a high vacuum. You can use either steam or boiled water. The steam condensing back to water, it creates high vacuum. Volume shrinking 1600 times. Right now, I don't have power, so I cannot create a vacuum because
Because there's no heat source.
No boiling, right.
I see.
For small size, I can use the pump. Create a vacuum for small size.
Okay.
For large size is hard. I have to do it.
But you can still do it if you want to. Is that correct?
If you want to, I can do it. But you see, it's not go down, right?
Okay.
If you use the high vacuum, steam, you create a very high vacuum and then concentrate cold the coffee in a short time.
Oh.
All this device, for example, like this, looks like a French press, but this one has a piston in it. Put the coffee and the water, and then use this pump, and then it create a very high vacuum and then pressure. So it created cold coffee in 3 minutes with the regular room temperature water, about 5 minutes with ice water.
Oh.
So all device use the vacuum to produce cold coffee in a short time. And the taste is much better because all the flavor and the taste is go down, sucking by vacuum.
So when you're pulling the vacuum here, it's pulling the water through the coffee?
Coffee, go through the coffee, just like this one. And then coffee...
And then it comes out at the bottom?
Yeah, everything flavor, coffee, taste go down. And then you can enjoy the tasty coffee.
Oh, interesting.
And also healthy coffee because if you use the hot water, a lot of oil coming out.
So you heat the whole unit?
Heating only for creating steam. Put very little bit water, about 1.5 ounce water.
Okay.
And heat it up. And then you can dump in hot water. And then connect it. And then
so they're not connected yet?
Right now it's connected.
But when you're heating it?
No, heat it up. So it's
what you're saying, 100 milliliters in here, and you heat that, and then...
Not even 100 millimeters.
Okay.
About 20, 30 millimeters.
Okay.
Just cover the bottom.
And then you heat
heat it up, and then boil it.
So do you take the water out first?
A lot of people don't like hot. Why use hot water? So dumping hot water, and then steam is still inside. So connect it. Then 2-3 minutes, the steam inside condensing back to water. So when condensing back to water, volume shrinking 1600 times. That create very high vacuum.
But when you're heating it, this is on or off?
No. When I heat it up, this one is here.
Okay.
And then put a little bit water.
And so once it boils, you just put it down at the top?
Yeah. Dumping the hot water and then put it. Or if you are coffee shop, every coffee shop has espresso machine that have a steamer. About 20-30 seconds steaming. Steam shower.
Yes.
Slightly remove all the air inside. So if you steam shower about 20 seconds, all air go out and they fill with steam. Then right away, the steam condensing back to water and it create a high vacuum.
What's the capacity?
2.5 liters.
And how much coffee would you use for 2.5 liters?
About 120 grams. Then you're gonna have 2.5 concentrated coffee, about 5 times concentrated coffee.
5 times coffee. Okay.
Yeah.
There's 2 sizes.
Yeah. This is a personal size. This one for the coffee shop, for professionals, for family size.
Interesting. And this is
also.
And then what is this?
Same thing. Coffee shop, family size. You can make a coffee, concentrated coffee.
And same principles?
Yeah, same principle. Heat it up. Create a vacuum.
But so what is the capacity of these?
It's a little less than 1 gallon.
Okay, less than 1 gallon. And what are the price points?
$150, $180, and this one is $75. But
are they available in the United States or just?
yeah, I'm from Dallas, Texas.
These are manufactured where though?
From China.
Oh, China. Okay.
I manufacture it and bring to Dallas and sell to United States.
All right. So Vac Brew 2 and 4, interesting. Using this vacuum system to create cold brew from steam, I think that's kind of interesting. I might try to see if I can get one of these to try out. My friend just told me she bought one of these in the Philippines, so I'm curious to know more about it.
Cool. Well, we're having a bit of trouble roasting here at the moment.